Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Play reviews to your Wix website. Since Wix doesn't offer this feature directly, we're going to use an external widget. But don't worry, because it's completely free of charge and you don't need to submit any credit card information. The first step is to go to the website we'll be using. I've put the link in the description down below that takes you straight to the page I'm on, so go ahead and click there. And once you are on Elfsight, you simply need to go up and hover over widgets. From here, go over the reviews sections, and right down here you will see the Google Play reviews. Go ahead and click there. Next, you need to click on the pink button that says Create Widget for Free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. You can expand the window by clicking these arrows here. Now the first step here is to choose a template that is the closest to what you are looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding. For this demo, I'll go ahead with this grid template. From here, you can go ahead and click Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. As you can see, there are 6 options here, which are Source, Layout, Header, Review, Style, and Settings. In the Source option, you can insert the URL of a Google Play app or book into this column. For this demo, I will use Ranshu Japanese Learning Apps Review. Just go to Google Play Store, copy the URL by highlighting it, then click Ctrl+C on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Copy. From here, go back to Elfsight, then paste the link by clicking Ctrl+V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Paste. You can manage the AI-generated summary here and filter or sort the reviews if you need to. Next, we move on to Layout. Here you can choose how you want your reviews to be displayed, whether it is carousel, grid, and many more. I'll stick with this grid layout. After that, you can go down here to customize the width, columns, rows on desktop and mobile, item spacing, or display and hide the Load More button. Now we move on to Header, where you can display or hide the header and the widget title. If you want to show the header, you can click this switch here, then choose the style and elements that you want to display or hide. If you want to hide or display the widget title, you can click here and edit the title and the caption. After that, we move on to the review option, where you can change the style of the reviews and the source. Click here to select more customizing options, then click back. Now let's move on to the style option, where you can change the color scheme to light or dark. Choose the accent color and change the font. If you want to customize the style of each element, you can explore the steps here and change them one by one. For example, I want to change the background color of this widget to white. Lastly, in the settings option, you can change the language and text of the reviews, enable links, and change the writing format. Once you are ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click Add to Website for Free button at the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log into Elfsight. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top right corner and click on the big green Publish button. And now you are on the page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking the gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code. And now it's time to head back to our Wix website editor. Once you are on your Wix website editor, the first step is to choose what page you want to add your widget to. In my case, I will add this to my home page, which I can select right here. Then choose the section that you want to add your widget to. Click Add Section, click Add Elements, go down to Embed Code, choose Popular Embeds, and choose Embed HTML. When this window pops up, paste the Elfsight code here by clicking the Ctrl+V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Paste. Then click Update. After that, you just need to adjust the size of the widget by clicking and dragging the small dots around it. And adjust the size of the section by dragging this arrow up and down to fit the entire widget. Another thing that I want to add is how to change the font of this widget without going back to Elfsight. So here I have a personalized code that I will share with you in the video description below, so you can use it if you want to. Just go ahead and copy the code by highlighting it, then click Ctrl+C on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Copy. From here, go back to Wix, right-click the widget and choose Edit Code. Click Enter on your keyboard to make a new line, then paste the code by clicking Ctrl+V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Paste. Then click Update to see the changes. As you can see, the font has changed and I think it looks much better than before. Now let's click the preview button at the top right to see the final result. And as you can see, we now have Google Play reviews on our Wix website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.